The only way that you guys are going to get a credit card with a 500 credit score and you have collections and charge-offs and things like that on your credit reports, it's going to have to most likely be a secure credit card. It's going to have to be one of them credit cards that's not going to check your credit at all. So if you guys were to search on my website, Rickita.com, I do have a list of those credit cards there. A few of them that you guys may want to check out is a credit builder card. Also check out Open Sky. They don't do a credit check at all. So even if you guys have a lot of negative accounts, it's not going to affect you at all. Let me actually look those cards up for you now so that you guys can see what I mean. Because it's a lot of credit cards out there that you can get. Like if you have bad credit where they're not going to look at your credit, but they're all secure credit cards. You probably not going it's gonna be very, very hard to get a credit card unless you're getting a secure credit card, especially if your credit is bad, like in the 500s. They're not gonna try to give you um, a credit card. So I pulled it up. Let me actually go ahead and where is it at? Okay, so it is here, guys. Okay, perfect. So a few of those cards, like if you have really bad credit, 500s, try to get this self. They're not going to do a credit check at all. You do have to have their installment account first to get approved for it. Also, the credit builder card. This is the other one I was telling you about. This was a secure credit card, no credit check at all. This kickoff account is kind of a secure card. Kind of, you have to pay on it per month, but they're going to report to the credit bureaus. They do have a new secure credit card though that you guys can check out, but you can get that one. Discover if your credit score is too low, they're going to deny you. Too long, they're not going to look at your credit at all. They're just going to look at your bank account. So if you have a good banking history, try to get the 2 more credit card because that's a great option for you. The In Rewards secure credit card. This one is going to be hard to get because they're going to check your credit, and a lot of people are getting denied. Pedal One Visa checking your credit, Capital One, they're going to check your credit. Open Sky is not going to check your credit, so also try to get this credit card. So it's a credit card that's not going to deny you at all. And I think that's really the only ones I have on here. Indigo, Destiny, Mary Bank. No, they're going to check your credit. First Progress, they're not going to check your credit at all to approve you. So you can also try to see if you can get that one. But those are the ones, if I were you, that I would get. If you have a very low credit score. When you see those other video, you have like 500 credit score, you can try to see if you can get approved. But if you want a guaranteed approval, then check out those because they're not going to check your credit.